Alright guys, welcome to our Movement Revolution workshop. It is an honour for us to be here at the Roger Gracie Academy in London and to have you all attending today. We truly appreciate you taking the time to come down and spend it with us. I am Jay and this is my wife Steph. We formed Phase 6 around 2 years ago, and since that time we've travelled around the world sharing our methods and philosophy. But as you'll recognise today, is a lot of our movements stem from martial arts, particularly Jiu-Jitsu. So one of our main missions is to increase people's performance with time efficiency training by building strength and mobility at the same time. And that in turn will increase your performance, but not only increase your performance, allow you to perform at your highest potential for longer. We truly appreciate you guys coming down and being a part of our final workshop in London for the year. Keep on tagging us in your journey. We always enjoy seeing everyone's progress, and thank you for coming today. We appreciate it.